Alright, we're live. We're doing a personal box of 2015 Topps Update Jumbo for Justin Rybolt. Good luck to you. Hopefully we can pull you out something nice. There's a crap load of cards in this thing. I didn't realize there's 500 cards in this box. It's pretty stinking heavy. So let's see if we can't pull you something good, man. Good luck. It almost takes 2 hands to carry this thing, man. I'm not even lying. It's almost a 2-hander. Empty box, empty box. Alright, let's bring this down. Alright, man, well, good luck to you, and here we go. We're going to go ahead and get started. Let's see what these things look like. Good luck to you. So what are you looking for in these things, man? You're just looking for KB, short prints, or what?
From a law enforcement standpoint, you want to scream at the video. Wake up, look to your right. But it is what it is.
Do you want me to go through them real quick and just pick out the good names?
We're all human beings. Not making an excuse for
what do you want me to do?
I don't know all the facts or the details yet. But I do know that we have to look at how this occurred and make sure this is not able to happen again.
Well, the sheriff said it took about 15 minutes for the officers to realize Tucker was gone. Tucker is considered armed and dangerous. He has been on paid leave from the sheriff's office since October of last year.
All right.
Lance McCullers.
Up next, we're going to find out who's there.
Yeah, we are. We're going to find out who's keeping it clean and who needs to clean it up. Next.
This is KCTV.
Anthony Rizzo.
With Andy Lascano.
Not so fast. Andy Lascano with the total killer. Does have anything to do with it? Crazy.
John Capolo. You want to put some fugitives behind bars? Who's dirty, Lascano? How do you sleep at night?
DeGrom.
Sonia Hill.
Willie Mays. Insert. Mike Fuentwitz. It's a refractor, I guess. Some kind of chrome card. Ichiro, rookie sensation. Here's a gold of high voltage battery. Mad Bum. It's a 2015, of course. High voltage battery. Rarities of Sean Green. Whatever Works of Alex Gordon. Topps Original of John Verhoeven. 77. 77 Topps Original.
This week only on our final 4 2015 models. This trilogy was over 115,000. Now it's 74,960.
Noah Syndergaard rookie.
Over 113,000. Now it's 76.
The Home Run Halos.
Columbus was over 80,000. Now it's 54,973. This Puma was over 42,000. Now it's 30,968.
More families are experiencing that best feeling every day with Cons Yes Money Financing.
Future star of Shane Green.
Just go to Cons.com from your computer or mobile phone for your online application. Whether you got good credit, bad credit, even if you've been turned down.
So there's pack number 1. They weren't joking. There's 50 cards. 50 cards per pack. Go on this side. You gonna try to get the whole set? That's a lot of cards. Oh, looks like we got a relic or something in here.
Frank's Compact Prime Initial Quality. It's 0% APR for up to 72 months. Central. Check it out. Give an end. Shop ChooseNissan.com. Innovation that excites.
You're watching Action 10 News. The kitchen cops are on patrol, tracking down all the dirty details.
Jock Peterson.
This is the Action 10
Jock Peterson.
Brought to you by Colonia Del Rey Arcade.
Who holes?
All right, it's Thursday. Still awake. It's time to find out who's dirty this time.
And before we go on any further, thanks to the folks.
Yvonne Rodriguez.
Our-
Levon Hernandez.
Tonight we have expired milk and employees.
Darren O'Day, All-Star, Gold. John Lester. Tape measure blast for Ted Williams. You got this. Holy crap, this thing's heavy.
Topping the B-list, the Subway on airline.
Got the etched in.
Lost points because ham and turkey are being kept at the wrong temperature.
This thing's gonna be
Wearing jewelry on the water and the hand washing system.
$5 a ship by itself. This thing's heavy. Heavy as hell.
The joint venture sandwich and smoke shop.
Etched in of Nolan Ryan.
Employees weren't wearing beard guards, they were wearing jewelry. There was expired milk, spray bottles not labeled and stored near dish racks. The sanitizing bucket too strong. No manager on site and no thermometer.
It's pretty cool.
Only one restaurant made the scene.
It's not numbered or anything, but it's pretty cool.
On Saratoga with a 77. Violations included mayonnaise,
It is super heavy.
employees not
It's got some girth to it. No doubt about it.
To be labeled and covered. Rags need to be stored in the sanitizing bucket. All spray bottles need to be labeled. And the sanitizing solution at the dishwashing station was too strong. You can see this list again by logging onto our website.
It has got some girth.
Of course, we have a perfect score. We have a couple of them, in fact. First one goes to the cookie bouquet. Number 4700 watermelon.
Taiwan Walker.
Hey, some of the most creative cookie bouquets. Kitchen very clean and organized. Congratulations to Pam Bassett.
Alright, so that's pack 2.
And Evans Element.
Pack 3. Chris Bryan is still hiding. He's in here somewhere. He's got to be in here somewhere. KB. Blanco, another Noah Syndergaard rookie. Blake Swihart. At least they're consistent with what direction the cards are. They are consistent. Brandon Finnegan in the Reds uniform since he got traded from the Royals. Bet you he's wishing he was still on the Royals. Dwight Gooden, career highlight. Yuniel Escobar, refractor. McGuire, rookie sensation. Yoenis Cespedes gold. Yoenis Cespedes. Rarities of Don Mattingly. Whatever works, Roger Clemens. And you got a All-Star Game swatch of Carlos Martinez. Carlos Martinez. Not numbered. All-Star Game swatch. KB is still hiding so far. He's got to be in here. There's no way they put 500 cards in a box with him on the cover and don't stick one in there of him. At least you would think. He's got to be in there. pack 4. That's right. He's in here with some ink on it. That's what I'm saying. Nick Ahmed. Jumbo Diaz. Looks like you got another originals here. I think you get 2 of those a box, I believe. Kind of did a little reading up on it. There's, oh, they had 2 upside down this time. Clipper and David Price and Blue Jays. Blue Jays uni. Manny. There's only, it says there's only 1 auto in the box, man, total. In the jumbo. And then the relics. Piazza, Adam Jones. Adam Jones is numbered to 99. Adam Jones to 99. Rizzo. Tape measure blast of Ryan Howard. Originals of Gary Nolan. Gary Nolan. That looks to be 78. 78 Topps Originals. There's another Jock Peterson. This has DeGrom and, yep, DeGrom and Matt Harvey. Buxton. Ichiro. The Trotter. Dude. You have to do some complaining to Topps, man. This is unacceptable. If my camera would focus already. This corner is like all kinds of bent. You have to do some complaining to Topps on that one. You need to take more pride in their quality there. Erasmo Ramirez may be a big star one day, and that card might be worth something. Oh, there's another Originals. Where's Chris Bryant? He's got to be in here somewhere. I refuse to believe. Joe DiMaggio highlights. Jeff Bagwell, star rookie. Anthony Renato, gold. Number to 2015. Another Mark McGuire. Another Originals. Roger Mertziger. That's a 75 Topps. 75 tops there. That's pretty cool. So you're getting some stamped originals out of the deal. This must be the Jock Peterson box, man. That's the third one. You're getting all the Jock Petersons. Chris Bryant must be coming up. Todd Frazier. Yasmani. The card says Max Scherzer, but I'm going to say that's a Bryce Harper card. Because the next one's Max Scherzer. And they're not consistent. There's Bryce Harper again. Matt Duffy, Future Stars. Why is his not a rookie card? Why is Matt Duffy not a rookie card when he pretty much tore it up in the majors this year? Can you answer that? It's like he had ridiculous stats this year for a rookie. Same thing with Brock Holt. Brock Holt was in the majors most of the year too, tearing it up. How are they not? How are theirs not rookie cards? They're trying to save some people for next year, or what? That's their way of doing things. Andrew Miller, Brad Miller, Addison Russell. Now we're getting into the Cubs. Aaron Thompson, Tim Cooney. Seth Smith. They don't have Schwarber in this? I thought he was in this. Schwarber ain't in this? What a ripoff if he isn't. Total ripoff. Autos, but not in the base. Huh. That's weird. That's a ripoff. They have no faith in the next year's class, huh? So they're saving some for next year. Reggie Jackson. Justin Upton. 2014 rookie sensation, Jacob deGrom. There you go. A gold Francisco Lindor rookie. That's pretty good. Somebody will buy that. Number to 2015. Did he win the American League Rookie of the Year? I didn't see who won the American League. I know Chris Bryant won National, but did he win the... I don't even know who won the American League. Rarities of Billy Williams. There's another Cubs card for you. Wade Boggs. Another original of Mike Marshall. 74. Jonathan Herrera. Oh, look. Told you they was coming.
Rookie of the Year thing?
Yeah, for the American League. There's your KB. Oh, look who's behind him. Carlos Correa. Sweet. Nothing wrong with a little Correa behind him. Rookie debut. Oh, look, here's the other variation. Russell and Chris Bryant. Come on, camera. Phenoms blow into the Windy City. Chris Bryant and Russell. Told you they was coming. Look at this. That's got to be a mistake. Future stars Evan Gattis. Seriously? His rookie card was 3 years ago. How is he a future star? Answer me that one there, Justin. How is Evan Gattis a future star? That's even worse. That might be an error. Maybe that's an error card. That could be worth some money. Let's stick that over here. There's no way. There's no way. Oh, look, here's Carlos Correa again. Carlos Correa. Deposey. They do some dumb things. Yeah, but see, that's not a... I mean... That's like a... Really? That doesn't even make sense. Like, literally, we tried to pull his rookie auto out of 2013. Or 14. No, it was 13. That just blows my mind. Kevin Plawecki. And he's in an Astros uniform. Oh, yeah, I guess that's right. Astros uniform's right. Never mind. But still, future stars? No way. Somebody needs to get fired over that. You can't make mistakes like that. You just can't do it. You just can't do it. It's unacceptable.
And Cisco Lindor.
Yeah, Lindor won the Rookie of the Year, by the way. That's what I thought.
I don't think they have announced it.
Cole Hamels. David Murphy.
They're saying Correa can still win this award.
Oh, they're saying they haven't announced it yet, that Correa could still possibly win it, too. I forgot all about Correa. How did I forget about Correa? Mark Trumbo. Robin Yount. Sean Gilmartin. 2007 rookie sensation of Troy Tulo. Got a gold here of some Padres. How do they put future star? That just doesn't make sense. That just doesn't make sense. Like, not a chance. Mike Mussina. Jim Palmer. Ken Johnson. Originals. Ken Johnson for the Braves. Ooh, that one's 67. 67 original. Manny Machado. I was hoping it was an error. I was hoping that, they didn't purposely do that, but that's even worse. Oh, look, here's a card of a bunch of Gatorade, but somewhere in there, Joey Gallo's in there. Mike Trout. Brock Holt. The Cubs set wouldn't be complete without David Ross. Joey Gallo, rookie. Glenn Perkins. You got Ross's auto. Old Lester's personal catchers. He's Lester's shadow. He is the shadow of Lester. Justin Turner. Perez. Samardzija. Donaldson. Asher. Zobrist. Anthony Rizzo, All-Star Game.
Barron's
Huh? Correa? Okay, so I guess Correa won the Rookie of the Year. Highlights, David Ortiz. Zach Duke. Rookie sensation, Derek Jeter. LaTroy Hawkins. Numbered to 64. LaTroy Hawkins, numbered to 64. Daniel Nava, rarities, and he ain't even on the Red Sox anymore. And he got traded a long time ago, so I have no idea. There's our auto. Mark Teixeira. Career high auto of Brock Holt. Which he's actually a good player. Brock Holt. He's actually a good player. It could have been worse. That's for sure. Soler. Career high 281. Paulie. Addison Russell. Colby Lewis. Preston Tucker. Jose Iglesias. Surprised he's not in a stinking Red Sox uniform. Surprising. So how many variations of Brian is there in this? Like 5? DeShields Jr.? Do you know? 5? So we're 2 for 5. 2 for 5. Brett Laurie. Nori Aoki. Greinke. Come on. There we go. Siriaka. Kelly Johnson. Upton. Frazier. Revere. The Moose.
That's where there's a player.
Oh, there we go. KB. KB. I knew he had to pop. What's the hardest one to get? Do they have a short print one, or is there any that are harder than the rest? Ted Williams. Jose Abreu, rookie sensation of just last year. Ooh, you got an old Topps original here. Casey McGee. Gold, number 2015. Springer. Mike Trout. Man, they give you a stinking Topps original that's got a crease down the middle of it, dude. It's got a crease. That's an old one, though. I don't even know what year this is. I have no idea. This has got to be 50s, isn't it? This is 50s. Frank Thomas. Man, I knew Frank was old, but Frank Thomas just went in the Hall of Fame this year. I'm pretty sure it's a different Frank Thomas. But I think this is, man, I don't remember. It's 50-something. It's still pretty cool. It's just, it's definitely got some creases, man. That's for sure. It's still cool, though. Giovanni Soto. It's cool that his name is the same as a Hall of Famer. It might not be the same guy, but at least it's the same. Oh, there's another KB. KB! Did you say there's more than 5? Oh, you're saying there's 5 base? Well, that's 4. There's 4. There's a 4th different base. Troy. Another Buxton. This probably would be a pretty cool set to get all the sets, man, because there's a lot of different cards. All the different variations. It'd be pretty cool. Donaldson. Rookies for the Pirates. High voltage. Got the gold of that. Billy Burns. Is Monty Grandal. Todd Frazier. I'm pretty sure you already got that card. Lindor. Look, Josh Hamilton, future stars. Oh, never mind. Wade Davis. Alright, man, last pack. Good luck to you. Let's get you something sweet. Let's get you a colored Chris Bryant. Or at least finish off the set. Or what you can. Brett Anderson, Rosario, Nolan Arenado, DeGromster, Steve Cishek, Martinez, Donaldson, Gomez, Pollock, Tom Seaver, rookie sensation Albert Pujols, gold of Jason Hayward, Albert Pujols, tape measure blast of 470. That's it. Here's you another originals, Buddy Bell for the Indians, 79. Buddy Bell for the Indians, 79. Nelson. Come on, give me another KB. One more, that's all I'm asking. Is that too much to ask for? Kevin Pillar, Future Stars. Pretty sure he spent majority of the year in the majors. I'm just saying. Dallas Keuchel is your last card. And it, once again, is jacked up on the edge. The heck? Alright. So there you go, man. You hit what, four of the KBs? Just sleeve them for you. You hit the auto signing KB. Your All-Star Game KB. All-Star Game. Looks like Home Run Derby there. Yeah, you hit 4 of them. Right on, man. Dennis wasn't here to steal the Cubs, so you get all the Cubs this time. And we'll catch you later, man. Appreciate you getting the box. And yeah, just shoot me over your address, and I'll get them all packed up and sent to you, man. Appreciate it.